All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Timbo Irvin here. Welcome to our Forex midweek analysis follow-up. All we're doing today, guys, is we are reviewing the video that we recorded on Sunday so you can see the before and after. Remember, our goal here is always to win at least 75% on our winning trade. And what are you gonna be watching today, guys? Basically, what we're gonna be doing, like I said, is our Forex midweek analysis follow-up. I'm gonna be breaking down step by step exactly each pair, and so stay with me to the end. Even if you follow 1, 2, 3, 4, or all 5 pairs, one of them has to make sense to you. You will see if some of the pairs went against me or not, so you are the judge. So here it is for me to show you. Let's go. Let me show you what the market is all about. All right, so the first pair of the week, it is Euro USD. Is the most tradable pair in the world. So guys, remember the thumbnail that I give you guys on Sunday was this one here, Forex Weekly Analysis for the week of March 28 to April 1st 2022. So this is the last week of March. Okay, so we officially entering on the month of April. So welcome to our April month. All right, so I did tell you guys about Euro USD, guys. Always do me a favor, guys. Always pay attention to your dashboard. The dashboard is your key number one. Look, I'm gonna break it down with you guys, but I want you to try to do it the next couple pairs that I'm gonna be showing you. Try to figure it out on your own and see if you can do it. All right, so you can learn how to utilize our multiple time frames. So first thing first is, what is your dashboard saying? Irvin, we are bullish, right? That's what it's saying. The next thing you need to do is you need to look for our multiple time frame. Here your multiple time frame. The TWE now officially it is here. On Sunday it was not here. Market was still giving us that retracement. But what did I say on Sunday? This is what I told everyone. I told the world, guys, the market was not ready yet to be in a buy. I said, oops, let me go ahead and bring the right tool. So I said, guys, the market is gonna do a small retracement, most likely retesting this previous green arrow here. And then from there, what did I say? I said market was gonna continue bullish, retesting previous 50 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame. And here Centennial has your white arrows in there. So from here, market is getting ready for do a small retracement, and overall market will be in a buy position. So what are we looking here on Euro USD? Euro USD look very promising for the month of March to retrace back to business after a bullish trend. So this one worked out exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. All right, so the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys, I want you to analyze it on your own and try do your best. Okay, so the next pair that I have here, it is USD CHF. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna give you a few seconds, guys. Pay close attention. So let's take, let's not rush. Let's learn. Because look, one thing that I always tell you guys is don't buy signal, guys. Stop wasting your money on signal. Learn how to trade. This is the best advice that I'm gonna give you here on this business. Learn how to trade accurately. Don't depend on signal, because signal sucks, to be honest. If you ask any trader, hey, why are you giving this signal? Can you break it down for me? They're not gonna do it. But if you don't pay them their fee on a monthly basis, they will kick you out of the chat room. So that's why it's very important not for you to be trading on signal, thinking what the market is gonna do. All right, so what's going on here, guys? What is your dashboard saying? Is the market up or down? I'm still giving you a few seconds, guys. What do you guys think? All right, someone said the market is down. Perfect. That is true. Look at that. Boom. All the folders are burning red. So on Sunday, I say, guys, the market is not fully there yet to go bullish. It's still gonna do a small retracement. Here's the candle. I say it's gonna make a small retracement, and then from there, boom, market is gonna come back to your 38.2 Fibonacci level, which is your previous multiple time frame here. Nothing wrong. Market came right on it. And then what did I say from here? I said the market was gonna continue selling down. Now pay close attention what USD CHF is doing, guys. If anyone is telling you what I'm telling you right now, you should respect that person. If they're telling you otherwise, then be careful. So multiple time frame here is in Irving. We are selling. Look at our white arrows, also confirming that we are selling. Look at our TWE sniper entry. Now it's brand new. So that means the USD Chf is an official sales market. So market still here, still has potential to come back and retest this. Look, previous multiple time frame once, previous multiple time frame 2. So market still has potential to keep down, coming down. That's why you see this green line in here saying the market still has potential to go bearish. So here it is, USD Chf workout, exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. And remember one thing, guys, this is not signal, guys. I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. Please, guys, don't buy signal. Learn how to trade. If you want me to teach you, let me know. But please, guys, do not invest any money. You cannot afford to lose in this business. This business is risky. You can win huge. You also can blow your account. All right. So learn how to trade. So if you need help, let me know, guys. All the links, if you want to get in touch with me or you have any question, or Sir Irving, can you teach me how to trade? I will do it most likely on a Tuesday, live trading with all the traders, so you can know how to trade the system and so on. I will not charge you. If you are new, I will not charge you, because that's not my intention. I want you guys to make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading the market. All right. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the week. It is gold. Guys, if you haven't watched the video from Sunday, I highly recommend everybody to watch it. Here is gold. Pay close attention. Look at what I say on Sunday. Everyone should have that data from Sunday, because I did mention it on Sunday. I say, guys, the market here, what was the market doing? Look at the dashboard. The dashboard is telling you here everything. It's saying, okay, we are currently in a buy position. So on Sunday, this is what we saw. We saw the market selling. Our TWE sniper entry was also there. Our white arrow was also there. So all the indication here was clearly selling down. So look at here. This is what we left at us on Sunday. So we had this multiple time frame here on Sunday saying the market was going to continue going where? Going with the original trend. So what did I say on Sunday? I said, guys, the market's going to come back to your 50 Fibonacci level, which is your previous red arrow here. And then the market is going to do a small retracement. Look at the candle here. Candle came almost identical of what I told you. And then from there, what did I say? Boom! Market was going to drop down, retesting previous multiple time frame in here. Look at this drawing, guys. Let me delete all this so you will not get confused. Look at this drawing here. I said the market is going to come back and retest this. Look at this one. Boom, right on it. Right on it. Now, if you ask yourself, okay, what is the dashboard saying? The dashboard saying on 1 hour and 30 minutes saying, Irving, we are bullish. And that is true. Why do you think it's true? Take your time, guys. We're not rushing here. I really want you to learn this market, because trust me, anyone else will be selling you what I'm telling you guys. And guys, please be careful from scammers, guys. Please be careful. One reminder that I need to let you know is I will never ever ask you for me to trade your account. I'm always gonna encourage you to learn how to trade with rules, and don't depend on any signal provider. Learn how to trade. This is the best business in the world. You need to learn how to do it correctly, okay? So please be careful. But another thing that I need to let you know, guys, a lot of people are selling my analysis for profit. Please don't pay money, please, guys. I'm giving you this information here for free. I know some of them, sometimes they are pretty accurate. All 5 pair or 6 pair that I gave you, they all sometimes 100% on score. Not always, but at least we try to win 75%. But don't pay for things that are already free, okay? All right, fair enough. So perfect. All right, so any question, guys? What do you guys think so far? Guys, hopefully you guys are finding value so far. So we analyze what 3 pairs. All those 3 pairs are on point. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up and make sure you drop a comment if you have a question or if you want me to teach you how to trade, and so on and so on. All the links to get in touch with me on one-on-one personal, if you want to send me a private WhatsApp, if you want to send me a private Telegram, if you want to send me a private Instagram, Twitter, however you want, all the links are on the description of this video. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is Gbp Usd. Pay close attention, guys. This is very crucial. What did I tell you guys on Sunday? Look at here. Now on Gbp Usd, we are officially, listen to me, officially in a bullish trend. Some of you might be, Irvin, no. Market is not bullish. Look at the dashboard. What's the dashboard saying? Irvin, everything here is bullish. Guys, another pair that is getting ready to sell, guys, is USD 30. USD 30 is getting ready to make that drop as a sell. Okay, so I'm not gonna analyze it today, but I'm giving you a heads up on a trade that I'm planning to take. Okay, so it's firming. Multiple time frame is already letting you know that we are getting ready for the sell. We're just waiting for 2 confirmation more, and boom, we are gonna be selling this market here. Okay, that's USD 30. But here on Gbp Usd, guys, look at here. Multiple time frame is here. Boom. Our Y arrow is here. Our TW sniper entry is here. So what does that represent? It's a sell or a buy. Look at the arrow. Where's the arrows going? The arrows are going up. So that means the market will be going up. All right. So on Sunday, I clearly told you, because on Sunday we didn't have the TW sniper entry, it was not there. So I told you guys, hey guys, we just waiting on the TW sniper entry to fully form in here. Same thing I told you on Euro USD. So now, if I had to tell you this, look at here. On Sunday, I said, guys, market was not ready yet to be in a buy position. I said most likely it's gonna come back and retest previous multiple time frame in here. It came lower than that. It came and retest almost your entry, which is nothing wrong. And then from there, I said the market was gonna go where? It was gonna go bullish. So market still has potential to come back. And this setup here still valid, guys. Nothing wrong with it. Market, if I had to move the now we're doing this live, right? If I had to move this arrow here, I would still say, guys, the market here still has potential to go up to your between your 38 to your 50 Fibonacci level. Why is that level? Because here is multiple time frame letting us know here. Look at here, support and resistance. Boom. Look at here. Boom, 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 boom. And more data in here as well. So it's a lot of support and resistance in that area. So that is a key level. That's why we use multiple time frames. So multiple time frame will help us to make the job a lot easier, so you can get better off, more pips on the market. All right. So far everything has worked out perfectly. So we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs that is on our favor. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at another one and see if that pair work out or not. Okay, so you the judge, guys. Remember, like I said, guys, all we doing, guys, is we reviewing the video that we recorded on Sunday. This is the thumbnail that we give you on Sunday. So now all we doing now is we are giving you our Forex midweek follow-up analysis here on our Forex Trading YouTube channel. All right. The next pair that I gave you to everyone was what? USD JPY. Pay close attention in here. This, guys, USD JPY didn't work out, and I made a mistake. But look, at least I told you this, guys. Market here was still bullish on Sunday. So multiple time frame here was still bullish. Our TW sniper entry still bullish here. Look at the stairs. You can go back to the video that I gave you on Sunday. You can see that what I told you on Sunday was fine. I told you the market was bullish. So here's the bullish trend. So I thought the market was gonna come back to your 23.6 Fibonacci. From there, I thought market was gonna drop. No, market from here took off and it went to the next level. So right now, if I have to reanalyze this one, if I have to make it up, basically, this to be honest, we're gonna call this as a loss, guys. 4 out of 1, because I gave you what, 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 pair out of -1. So we're still at the 90% winning ratio, so still then pretty good. Anyway, this is the last month of March. So March has been an amazing month. You are the judge. You have seen it, the before and after, so now you can judge on your own and so on. So if I have to tell you again what I'm seeing here, guys, is the market is clearly doing what? Market now is selling. It's selling this market here. Yes, this 38.2 Fibonacci is fine. And what did I'm expecting to see for the remaining of the month here? Remember, March is not over yet. So we still have what, 2 more days, and then the market is gonna be coming down. So I will say the market is gonna come to your 23.6 Fibonacci level. Then from there, market is gonna do the following. It's gonna continue selling down. And now here on the month of March, this is what I'm expecting to see, to be honest. I'm expecting to see right in this level here are what do you think I'm gonna be seeing? Are we looking here to see our TWE sniper entry? That's what I'm planning to see right on it. Sniper entry. Let's do SE. I'm expecting to see the TW sniper entry coming down, so we can go all make money trading multiple time frame. But so far, guys, only 1 pair out of 5 pairs that I did give you. So hopefully, guys, do me a favor. If you are new here for the first time, make sure you do subscribe, because on the weekend we are gonna be giving you the next week Forex Trading Weekly Analysis. So don't pay for Signal no more, guys. If you are paying for Signal, stop wasting your money on that. Learn how to trade. That's the best thing, the best advice I can give you guys. All right, so, and all we're doing, like I say, all we're doing today, guys, is we're just reviewing our weekly forecast, and hopefully you guys found value out of this video. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on our weekend weekly analysis. And don't forget to share this video with all the social media that you know. Everybody needs to know that they need to stop paying for Signal, learn how to trade, and remember, God bless you, God bless your family, God bless the world, God bless Ukraine, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Thank you, guys. I love you, each and every one of you. Peace out. Remember, this is Tim Irving here on our Forex Trading Analysis. Forex trading for beginners, Forex trading to trade like a pro, Forex trading and Forex trading. All right, guys, love you guys. Peace out. Hasta la vista.